Hello guys, I am Suresh Machu, founder of Machu Clinic. So I am one of the member of American Academy of Micropigmentation, and we are treating this vitiligo since 2009. We have more than 50,000 of happy, successful vitiligo patients we have bring out their original skin back. And in this session, we are going to show you the real-time process of how we are treating this vitiligo white patch and bringing the actual skin color back. That's the beauty about this treatment. Let's get into the video. And if you guys have any doubt, do comment us and share it to us as much as possible. Thank you. Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about this skin vitiligo patch. So we are going to do it on the fingertips as well as small dots on the wrist, around the wrist area. So as you can see the image, we have started the process now. The process is getting very smooth and you can see it's matching with the exact skin tone, and there is no bleeding, no much of a swelling. Many of them most of the time having this doubt of whether is it going to be get infected or is it going to be painful. I would say no, it is not. It is not going to be infected because we are just making an artificial melanin on top of your melanin layer so that it absorbs it and it starts to reflect the exact skin tone. That's how the scientific process behind this. So once this process has been done, we'll start to produce the result. So that's why first we need to do the patch test. Once the patch test got success, we can get to know easily the remaining places is going to be get accepted or not. So when it comes to the patch test, lip skin nature will be different comparing to the other body places of the body. So sometimes if the lip has accepted the skin color, and it may not be get accepted by other places of the body, or if other places of the body got accepted, lip may not be get accepted. So these two skin natures will be different. But in the body, if you are getting it done in anywhere as a patch test, it will be completely accepted by the remaining places of the body also. So as you can see it is exactly matching with his skin tone. That's the beauty about this treatment. So it has a very high success rate and the least maintenance. So people no needs to worry about this much. It's a hassle-free treatment and it's very much more reasonable. So as you can see, there is no even a evidence of old vitiligo white patch was there. So it's completely covered and it's matched with his exact skin tone. That's the beauty about this. And we are getting clients all over the world. People are traveling from different countries and coming here to get this treatment done. I would highly recommend you all to please book an appointment earlier and then come down, because in that way you can make the artist or the doctors to be available at your time and they can provide you the best service for you. As well as we have a separate consultation team with us. So on the displayed number you can contact them. They can help you out with all the details and then you can proceed booking the appointments. In that way it will be easy for you to process your appointments. And if you guys have any more doubt, please do contact us. Our team will be happy to help you out. So for this client, we have already done a patch test on the lip and it's got success and he's happy with that. That's why we are now proceeding with the remaining places of his body. For this, even it's getting accepting so easily and it's giving a great output. That's the more special part about it. As you can see, there is no even a single point. You can't even get to know where was the white patch was there. Correct? It's perfectly matched with the skin tone. So I'll meet you guys in my next video. Don't die nude.